Ear notching in pigs is a system that we can use to permanently identify pigs. You can imagine if you had a pen full of 20 or 30 all-white Yorkshire pigs, it would be pretty tough to tell one from the other. Also with pigs, sometimes they'll have a tendency to pull ear tags out, so ear notching is a permanent way that we can use, or a permanent method that we can use to make sure that we identify them. If they are registered through the National Swine Registry, it's also required. So first things first, we have the pig's left ear, we have the pig's right ear. So we need to imagine that we're looking down the pig's back. This would be the pig's left ear. This would be the pig's right ear. So the left ear is going to be the pig number. The right ear is going to be the litter number. So the litter numbers go for a 6-month period of time. They start in January and they go until June 30th, and then they start July 1st and go through December 31st. So for a producer, their first litter born of the year would start with a number 1 and would go through however many they have. So to actually ear notch, what we do in essence is we break the ear, into quadrants. Okay, this lower quadrant right here, if we put a notch in there, that equals 1. We can have up to 2 notches in any one area, because when we move up to the next section, put notches in there, those become a 3. So we can have 2 notches down here, we can have 2 notches up here, and if we keep going around, if we put notches up there, that would be a 9. Now, on the pig number, we're probably not going to have to go above that because we could get 18 right here. So what we do, whatever notches we have, we add the values together. The litter number is going to work the same way. Split it into quadrants and notch down on the lower portion of the ear closest to the head is 1. Lower portion of the ear out away from the body is a 3. We have a 9. Then we have 27. The other thing we can do sometimes is put a notch out here at the tip, and that would equal 81. So we can have up to 2 in any one area. We add up the value, and then that tells us what that pig would be ear notched. So let's do an example real quick. And we'll go ahead and write up here just for reference. This is the pig. This is the litter. The way I always remember it is litter seems like it should be on the left ear since they both start with an L, but they don't. So let's see. We'll go like that. So if this was this pig's ear notch, we start with the litter. The litter number comes first. So we have right here, we have a 27. And we have 2 in the 3 category. So we have 27 plus 3 is 30, plus another 3 is 33, and then 1. So this would be pig 34 dash. We have a 9, and we have a 3, so that would be 12. So this would be pig 34-12. So again, split it into quadrants. Lower section counts as 1. Outer section on the lower portion of the ear counts as 3. Next is 9. Then we have 27. If we have one right at the tip, we have 81. And in a real quick nutshell, that is how and why we do ear notches on pigs.